I spend a lot of time showing people amazing AI features of Spiro, like how I can draft an email from content that's already, in Spiro, like a call or a video recording, or maybe how the AI can summarize the last week's conversations that you had with a client or something like that. And then sometimes people ask me, what about the kind of the core CRM components? Like, can we have a pipeline report? And I'm here to say that Spiro offers all of that traditional CRM for you as well. Let's jump right into it. Now, we call Spiro the anti-CRM CRM because we're kind of against CRM because it requires so much data entry, but not in Spiro. Now, of course, we do have a great pipeline management component that you can track opportunities through sales stages. You can, drag them around if you wanted to move them from stage to stage. But let's just drill into one for a second, because of course, the thing that's different about Spiro than other CRMs is the AI is looking to see what's going on with these opportunities automatically for you. So you can see that we've got a little bit of negotiation with the customer, and then we could say, hey, just tell me what are the next steps based upon all of the interactions and conversations that we've been having that Spiro's automatically brought in. And you can see that it's aware of the discussions, and it says that we have a negotiated price, which is great. And boom, here are the things that we need to do to move this opportunity forward. But what about pipeline reports and dashboards and kind of the bread and butter of CRM, if you will? Well, the good news is Spiro has a built-in analytics platform that can show you any visualization that you're looking for. And so this is what we call the team pipeline dashboard. It's one of the probably 40 pre-built reports and dashboards that come with Spiro out of the box. And of course, our customer success team helps tailor them directly to your needs. But what you can see here at a glance is how many ops we created this month. What is the size of that pipeline? We have a very good sales team here in my demo org. If you're a fan of the traditional sales funnel diagram, you can see how many of your different leads fall into all of those different categories. Maybe you want to know how many new opportunities the team is creating this month. So there's a lot of different ways you can look at the data in the opportunities. You can use it to be forecasting not only the opportunities in the system, but you can be forecasting the backlog from your ERP system as well. Because of course, well, as many of our customers have, you're not just like booking a sale and then immediately shipping things out. Sometimes it takes a while to recognize that revenue. So Spiro can, support that as well. And any of these different charts or dashboards or pretty much everything in the platform, is exportable to Excel or as a PDF, or if you want to go really crazy, you can share it as a link and maybe put it up on like a white projector screen in your office or something like that. So everybody on the team, it's got a little bit of competitive juices flowing. Now, this is one of my favorite reports in Spiro, and because it basically shows you the power of the platform. It shows you how much activity is taking into generating sales at your customers. And so I'm looking at one sales rep here. Let's call him Mookie Betts. And his biggest account here is Bay Alarm. And what you can see because of this chart is he's spending the most time with Mookie compared to any one of his other customers. And that makes a lot of sense. He's spending a lot less time with Avaya, but they're doing a lot less business with us. But if I were to switch over to another sales rep, let's pick on Hank for a second here. Whoa, his graph is showing me something really, really different. He's spending a lot of time with Walmart, but they are not doing as much business with us as the yellow pages in this example. So why is that? Could Walmart be a really big customer for us in the future? Maybe. Or could they be somebody who wastes a lot of our time or complains a lot? I don't know. And so as a sales manager, I'm always looking to coach the team on what they can do to improve their performance. And maybe if Hank here, instead of spending all of this time with Walmart, he spent a little bit more time with, somebody over here on the chart, he could grow their business and make them into what Bay Alarm was for Mookie Betts. Now, to create reports and everything in Spiro, it's super easy. You basically are just using a pivot table functionality to go ahead and select the fields that you want and drag them into the reporting tool, and it can give you, like, let's just say we want to know company name and what the city is, and maybe just the count of how many companies are in all the different cities here. So I'm just going to make it a count, not a sum. and boom, I generate the report. This is probably not the most exciting report in the whole world, but you can see it generated a report super easily for me. And if I wanted to get rid of the company name, it'll actually show me the aggregation of companies in all of the different cities. And so, for example, you can see here, Austin, probably Texas, has 22 customers in my demo org. And I'm just showing you this to show you the power of how easy it is to create reports in the platform. So to kind of sign it up, Spiro's got these crazy, amazing AI features. That means nobody ever needs to do data entry in the platform, and the AI can be there to answer questions about everything. But we also have great reporting capabilities and pipeline dashboards and all the things that you would expect in a CRM, but without the work.